Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is non-phone data entry in the healthcare field. Best of all, it seems to pay very well, and they do not require you to have any experience at all. They will fully train. So let's not waste any time. Let's just dive on in. Just know the links, if you want to apply, are in the YouTube description box below. The company ShareCare, they are a leading digital health company that helps people no matter where they are in their health journey. They try to manage all of their health care in one place. They are hiring a records coordinator to work remote. Now, it looks like they are out of Franklin, Tennessee, and they have a headquarters also in Atlanta, but it says this is a remote position that can be located anywhere within the United States, so they do not have any state restrictions within the United States. But they are looking for someone to enter patient information into their software program. That will involve accessing various electronic medical record systems, so they are looking for someone who can type at least 50 words per minute. But as far as qualifications, experience in medical records office environment is helpful, but it is not required. Will train, so no experience needed. They do need someone who's computer illiterate and has a general working knowledge of Microsoft Word and Excel. Someone who is focused on high quality work, who can be a team player, self-motivated, and has great organizational skills. Now, of course, because they did not list the pay in the job description, I did a little bit of research on their Glassdoor page. I will also have their Glassdoor page linked down below if you want to read any reviews on the company. But it says for a records coordinator, you can make up to $60,000 a year. It looks like the average salary for a records coordinator for ShareCare is anywhere from $56,000 to $60,000 a year. Also, just want to note, they do have 661 reviews from people who have worked with them before, and they have a 4.3 out of 5-star rating, so it looks like a great place to work overall. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comment section anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading that and keeping a lookout when I'm searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.